Now, the word God is used by Zoroastrianism,
那这个词用这个斯洛文有斯洛文教使用，
Judaism,
还有犹太教，
Christianity,
还有基督教，
Islam,
还有伊斯兰教，
and Sikhism.
还有锡克教，
They talk of one God.
他们讲一个神，
They talk of a creator God.
他们讲已经创造的神。
They talk of a God who's controlling your life.
他说神是控制你的生命的，
They talk of a God who's judging and punishing you.
他们说这个神是充满判断而且惩罚你的。
In oneness, such a God does not exist.
但是在合一这样的神是不存在的。
When we use the word God, what we mean is
当我们讲到神，我们的意思是说，
there is something out there which is unmanifest,
那是在那里有一些未显现的能量，
which is some kind of energy not known to science.
那是对科学来讲是不可知的能量。
That energy has no form,
这个能量是无形的，
it has no qualities,
它也没有特质，
it cannot be named.
它也不能被命名。
However, we call that the divine.
但是我们称它为神。
Now, like electricity, which has no form,
就像电一样，它也是无形的，
which unless it manifests, you have no idea about it.
除非它显现出来，否则你根本不知道它。
It could manifest as light, as sound,
它可能是以光的形式，以声音的形式，
as electromagnetic waves,
或者是以这个电波的
or
形式，
mechanical motion,
或者是机械运动的形式，
or anything.
或者任何方式。
That is the manifestation of electricity.
这是电的一个显化形式，
Otherwise, that itself is unmanifest.
否则它本身是没办法显化的。
We make it manifest like that.
那我们也是让它这样显化的。
Similarly, the divine is unmanifest.
同样，神也是未显化的，
It is up to you to make it manifest.
这取决于你如何让它显化出来。
That is why we say, what manifests, we call that God.
那我们就说这个显化出来称之为神，
What is unmanifest, we call it the divine.
那没显化出来的我们称之为那个无形的神。
What manifests, we call that personal divine or God.
那这个显化出来的神，我们称之为个人的神，或者说这个你的神，
That you are creating.
这是你创造出来的。
You can give it whatever name you want,
你可以给它任何的命名，
whatever form you want,
你想要任何的形式，
whatever qualities you want.
任何的特质，
You could have whatever relationship you want.
你可以跟它有任何的关系，
It's all up to you.
这完全取决于你自己。
Now, you create this kind of God,
那现在你创造了这样的神，
and then you build up a relationship with God.
然后你与这个神建立了关系，
And then finally, when you die, you become that God.
最后当你死去以后，你就会成为那个神，
You become one with that God you created.
你就与你创造的那个神合一了，
That is, you become a God.
那你就成为了神。
And then you can help in whichever galaxy or solar system or planet you want.
你可以在任何你想去的星球、太阳系、银河系去帮助别人，
That is the program of oneness.
那这就